Hello student, now we will discuss the program called decimal into ASCII format. Here the decimal we are taking as a 69 here. The equivalent of 69 in the hexa value is 45H. So that is what we need to convert from decimal value into ASCII value. So in order to convert the 45H, that is the hexa value of 69, I want to convert into ASCII value. First I need to perform the divide operation by value by 10. So whenever I perform this hexa value divided by 10, so I will get the equivalent of the decimal value here. The equivalent of the decimal value of 45H is 69. So in order to convert from hexa to decimal value, I need to perform divide operation by using 10 here. So whenever I perform the divide operation by hexa value by 10, so that I can easily convert the hexa value into decimal value here. So now let us explain the program here. So I already written the program. Let me build the program. So there is zero error and switch into debug mode. And here in our program we are using R1, R2, R3 and R4. And the register called accumulator and register B we are using. And before execution all this register is 0 here, where R3 and R4 contains the ASCII value of the decimal. Okay, and now come to the point. Now we will explain the program here. Here first I will copy the input data. The input data is 45H. I will copy into accumulator. That is, before execution the accumulator is 0 here. After execution the content of A becomes 45H. And I need to convert into hexa to decimal, means I need to perform divide by 10. So in order to perform divide by 10, I will copy the 10. The hexa value of 10 is A. I will copy into the register B here by using instruction called move B, 0H. After that, as I told, I want to convert this hexa value into decimal value. So what I need to perform? Divide operation. So whenever I perform divide operation, the accumulator contains quotient and register B contains remainder. Before execution of the divide instruction, the A is 45H and B is 0H. So after execution, the A becomes 6 and B becomes 9 here. See, the A is 6 and B becomes 9. The A is nothing but quotient and B becomes remainder here. And I will store the remainder into the R1 register by using move R1, B. Okay, and next the next digit I want to perform. The next digit is what? 6. So I need to perform the divide operation by 10 here. In order to perform divide operation by 10, so again I am going to copy move B, 0AH. Now B is 0H. Again I need to perform divide operation. That is, again whenever I perform divide operation, the A contains quotient and B contains remainder. So before execution of the divide instruction, A is 6 and B is A, that is 10 in the decimal. Okay. After execution, the quotient of the A, that is 0, and B is remainder, that is 6 it contains. Again I will copy to the register R2 here by using instruction called move R2, B. And next is I will copy the first remainder which is stored in the R1 register to the accumulator in order to convert the decimal into ASCII value. So by using instruction called move A, R1. So here I am copying the first digit of the decimal to the accumulator. I will perform the logical OR operation with the 30H. So whenever I perform the logical OR operation with the 30H with the content of accumulator, it will convert into ASCII value. So here 9 is the decimal value. After execution the instruction logical OR, it will convert into ASCII value. The ASCII value of 9 is 39. It is going to store in the accumulator by using instruction called ORL A, hash of 30H. So 39 is the ASCII value for decimal value of 9, where I am going to store into the R3 register by using move R3, A. And similarly, I need to convert the second digit of the decimal value into the ASCII value. Again, I will copy the second digit of the R2 to the accumulator by using instruction called move A, R2. Again, this is the decimal value of 6. I need to convert into ASCII, means I need to perform logical OR the content of accumulator with 30H. So if I perform the logical OR operation, it will convert into ASCII value of this 6, that becomes 36. That 36 is the ASCII value for 6 here. So this is 36 is the ASCII value for 6, where I am going to store into the R4 register. Before execution move R4, A, the content of R4 is 0. After execution the R4 becomes 36. So here in both register, that is R3 and R4, contains the ASCII value of 6 and 9 here. So this is the what decimal to ASCII conversion program, and we will see and some few more programs in the next session. Thank you for listening.